enjoyin Coron!
Woo! Coron 2025 Junction Market. Let's go!
Once upon a time in Coron, man!
And just like that, we were chasing sunrise roads, different stories, same old hope. From the highs to sleepless nights, every mile felt so alive. We found more than just the view, found a home in something true. If heaven's real, it's moments like this. Hands up high, never wanna miss. Side by side, we're free tonight. This is where our world feels right.
Congratulations po sa lahat po na kasama sa ating Coron Palawan Incentive. Let's go!
This is where our world.
Thank you Junction Market. Kung di dahil sa inyo, wala ako dito sa Coron, Palawan.
Every laugh, every scar made us more than who we are. Not by blood, but by the right. One big heart, one wild life.
Tignan nyo, nasa Coron kami ngayon dahil yan sa Junction Markets. All expense paid. Thank you, Junction Market!
Heaven's real, it's moments like this. Hands up high, never wanna miss. Side by side, we're free.
I'd like to thank Junction Market for this opportunity to come here to Coron. We enjoyed so much. Thank you so much.
Nakabaliw na nakaraan lang, nasa Boracay kami ngayon. Nasa Coron, Palawan na. Imagine mo, libre by Forex Junction Market. Thank you!
This is
Heaven's real, it's here and now. Every dream we're living out. Side by side, we touch the sky. This is our forever now. Yo!
Thank you, Junction Market. Dahil nakarating ako dito sa Coron, napakaganda po. Kaya maraming salamat. Dahil nakarating ako dito ng libre.
Every dream we're living out. Side by side, we touch the sky. This is our forever now. Yo!
Congratulations po sa lahat ng mga Coron achievers po natin. Ito po yung bunga ng lahat ng effort nyo at mga tiwala nyo. Enjoy po tayo dito sa Coron. Thank you guys!
This is Forex Live.
Thank you, Junction Market!
Thank you, Junction